Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, millionaire mom with how to make great thumbnails for your new YouTube channel. So if you go into Canva, this is a free design thing that you can add pictures, you can add texts, you can have emojis, icons, anything you like. So basically, you create a design and I want to create a YouTube thumbnail. Well, I'm going to actually create it to custom dimensions. So it's 1920 times 1080. Then you've got lots of room to play with. Obviously, you can upload your own photos, and you can use backgrounds that they provide. I'm just going to skim the top of the iceberg here. So I would like one of me. So I'm going to click on uploads. So this is the photo I want. So you double click on the photo and hey presto, it pops over there, look. You can resize everything, okay? So you can move it around, resize it because I want it to be a little bit bigger and move it to there. Because I've actually cut myself out and made myself all the background from that picture's gone. Look, that's and a different piece of equipment, different tool. Okay, so we want some words. Let's get some words on here. We need some text. So you click text, add a heading, and then move it across, look. You can make it bigger, look. You can move it, you can make it bigger. Oh, it's not letting me do anything at the moment, so let's just put how to in big capitals. If you double click and you can go here, you can change all the fonts that you want. So let's go with Anton. Okay. And I want that slightly bigger. So let's go that big. Now, if I can move it across a bit, doesn't want to let me move it up for some reason. So you can resize these and make them different colours if you want. So then I would like some more text. If you click once, not twice, you only get it once and you don't get confused. So how to create. Okay, and then I'm going to put, actually I want to put it all in the same font. So it's just come there, look. So I'll just double click on that and you can move it across. It doesn't want me to move it across. But you can just have a play. How do you create? And then I want the word great. Or you could put custom headings. I'm going to put great in big capitals. And do it the same font, or you could actually make the great a different, you could make it a different font. Let's go with that one. how to create great, because you can make it stand out, you see, couldn't you? And you can turn it round. Sometimes you can turn it round as well, if it lets you. Sometimes it won't let you. Anyway, then I want the word thumbnails. And again, you keep having to move it. You just go with the flow. If it doesn't let you move it, then just make it. And then thumbnails. I'm just going to put this. Come on, Di. THUMB nails. Okay. Then I want to move it down a little bit. So you can actually put this. Now, that is a good start. But what if I wanted to put a box there and I wanted to change the colours around a bit? So if I wanted to make that, what? No, I'm going to have to think. Let's see if we can do a box first of all. In fact, let's move all these across there a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm actually going to put a box here so you can actually see what I'm talking about. I'm going to put this one in here. And actually, I want it black. Then everything will stand out, look. So this is what I mean. So if I change the colour of this one, whoops. If I can make that blue, for example, I can now move it across. Haha. Di, it's lost. You will tell me in a minute. No, it isn't. Right. If I want to make that into a different colour, I'm going to make that. I'm just going to randomly pick a colour because I don't want to make it white just yet because it won't have the same effect. Let's do red for that one. Okay, and then move that across and then do this one. Come on, move that across. It doesn't want to move. Come on, you little word. I'd like you to move over down here a bit. There you go. That one will do. Then I would like you, let's just go yellow, just for the sake of it. Okay. And then watch this. Come on. I want you to move over here. You have a bit of a laugh when you're doing this, by the way, and move it down. Now, if you try and do this, arrange. Right, you put the box at the back. Now, let's arrange back. Let's have a look. Arrange back. There you go. So now you've got your words and you can have a play and create. Oh, look, I'll tell you what I wanted to do as well. You can actually, let's go YouTube. Look at this. Oh, it does go a bit big, but you make it smaller, look. And you can put that there. And I wanted to show you as well emojis. And I like this one here, look. So if I wanted an emoji, but I want a smaller one than that, look. You can make them a bit more fun. So I'd like 2 little emojis, 2 little smiley faces, and put them there. Okay. This colour I can now make a little bit darker with a bit of luck. Come on. Ah, there you go. I wanted it to be a bright red. How to create great thumbnails. So this one needs to be a little bit bigger, I think. That can be 72. This one can be a little bit bigger. You can just play around now, but this is how I want, this is what I wanted to show you. Oops, that's too big. Let's do that way. If for instance you can, there you go, look. I quite like that because it's nearly the same size as that, look. So that matches. Now, let's see if I can turn these around. No, sometimes you can turn them around, you say, and sometimes you can't. But how about how to create? Actually, you could put that there. You can just have a play, basically. And for example, if you want to put some words over here, let's add a subheading. Here we go. Put it over your head. Let's have a look. And you can put your name. Let's move that across. For some reason it doesn't want to move. So if it doesn't want to move, you just stretch it across, move it up. I want a capital there. Capital there. And you can just, if you wanted to have a more exotic squiggly one, or even that one, you can just change it as you like. So once you've got it how you want it, you press download. I might still have a play with this and make it a little bit better. Because that's how you do it, guys. All you do is you go into Canva, have a play with the text, have a play with the icons, have a play with the colours. It's now downloaded to your computer, so you can upload it to YouTube. Have fun with, if you do a thumbnail for me, put it below and say, I loved your video, Di. I made you a thumbnail. If you want details on how to make money online, I've got my top tip below. The 30-day challenge is still going on at the moment, so you can join the team there. And I'll see you on the next video. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications button. See you next time. Bye.